So I get questions a lot about detailing decals on windows. So this is a very super short video, but there's these decals on these windows. I just squeegee right over them like normal. Sometimes when they're older, you will see pieces of them coming off. I wouldn't be worried about that. It's just something that happens over time. Business owners know. And so what happens is that a little bit of water gets left behind on the letters. You just take your microfiber or recycled surgical towel and you just buff them out. And that's literally it. Stickers like that inside, stickers like that inside. You literally just buff it out, just like that. So if I go over to this window, so there's a sticker here, and this goes the same with any kind of window decal. Even that one at the top there, I have my microfiber towel on a pole, and so I just go over it when I'm done. But I squeegee this off, I go right over it like normal. There's water left around the edges, so I just buff it out. And that's basically just so that it doesn't have little drips coming off of it. But literally, that is it. And that's how you detail any sticker or a decal on a window. If you have decals like this, literally what I do, usually I'll have my pole, but I will go over it with a towel and just wipe the cobwebs off. And then sometimes what I'll do if they look really bad is I will kind of hit it with my mop a little bit and then detail with the microfiber. I'm not going to do that to these though, because these have started to come off a little bit. But that is how you detail any windows with decals on it. Very, very simple. Just take your microfiber, polish it out. All right, peace, bye.